In a sunny kitchen, the tiny taste buds launch the Mango Moon mission to swap snacks for healthier, tastier options. Animated fruits and veggies cheer as kids compare apples with peach yogurt boats and carrot stars, turning choices into adventures. Parents join by reading labels and balancing sugars, fiber, and protein, turning prep into quick family challenges. The team discovers swaps like yogurt parfaits, veggie sticks with hummus, and frozen fruit skewers that feel like treats. By the end, everyone realizes healthy snacking can be colorful, creative, and cooperative, sparking confidence to try new flavors.